A lot of the traditional people prefer the old traditional methods of installation.
If we can show to them what the product can do, their old traditional methods, like I say, tend to be more rigid, which obviously does the job, but I think sometimes they're over-engineered.
I think the main concern is the unknown. When looking to move over to a new product, everyone is always going to be sceptical.
But once they see the benefits of using the wire suspension system, the time improvements of installation, the ease of installation, the lack of equipment that you need to install our systems, how simple it is, that you can make a drop not necessarily directly from above, you can come off at an angle.
So they don't need to be as over-engineered. The requirements from a piece of threaded rod maybe can be misunderstood slightly. It could be that the wire does the perfect job, but again, it's just informing the architect that a piece of wire can do the same job, if not better, than a piece of threaded rod.
If they do come across a problem during installation, our system is very flexible.
Now, obviously, it's wire rope. It lends itself naturally to being able to move. That's the benefit of the product. So people who haven't used the system may think that potentially their services and applications will float around in the wind, which is not the case.
So the design, it comes back to people's perception.
So usually in those circumstances now, we will work with the contractor, we can go to site with them, and what we will do, we will give them some product to try. They will pick an area of the job and they will produce a mock-up. They can see how it works and see what it looks like.
They can quickly solve that problem by either coming off to a different angle or using a different wire.
When everything's put together, all the bends are made and all the T-junctions are prepared, and the pure weight of the services, they can actually see that the applications will keep themselves where they are. There's actually no movement in the system.
It's the flexibility of our system compared to threaded rod.
The design of the product and the braiding of the wire and the wire strands, that actually gives it a massive integral strength.
We're not a new business. We're 12 years trading. We've got a lot of history, got a lot of experience on site. We've helped out a lot of prestigious projects that have found themselves in very difficult situations, particularly when they have been using traditional methods.